Hello friends, how are you? Today we will learn about tokens. If you still not subscribe, please subscribe, like and share. I will create a video like this for you. So let's start with chapter 2 token. So guys, what is token? It is the smallest individual unit which is used for a specific task in a program. It has a mainly 5 types which is most important and very useful. The first is a literal. So literal is basically just a data. Literal has a 5 types. First is an integer and contain only numeric countable value, that is 1, 2, 3, 3300 and to infinite. The second literal type is a float which only value with the decimal point. For example 2.76, 0.01, 3.14 and many more to infinite. The third literal type is a character which contains alphabet, numbers and special symbols like AB, 12, hash, dollar symbol and etc. The fourth literal type is string. A string is a sequence of characters. Strings are immutable. This means that once defined, they cannot be changed. For example, string equals to welcome to the tech error world. Print in the bracket string with the use of single quotes bracket close. Print strings output the string with the use of single quotes. Welcome to the tech error world. And the last literal is boolean. It is used to represent the truth value of, that is 1 is less than equals to 2 is true statement and 0 equals to 1 id false statement. Example, if in the bracket true, in the if false, print hello world, else print hello tech error. The output will be hello tech error. So the second token type is a constant. The constant means the value and quantities cannot be changed. It is fixed value. For example, pi value equals to 3.14 and maximum max value equals to 100. The third token type is keyword. The keyword are also called the reserved words. Each and every keyword has a special meaning we cannot change. In Python 3.6 version, we have a 33 keywords, whereas in Python 3.7 version, we have a 35 keywords. For example, false, true, class, def, if, elif, tame, and etc. are the keywords. The fourth token type is identifier. So what is identifier? An identifier is used to define words. An identifier is used to identify variable, function, method, classes, and modules and packages. For example, customer underscore name is an identifier. We can declare identifier with the starting character underscore, but we cannot declare identifier with the space. The fifth and the last token type is an operator. So what is operator? Operator is a symbol which performs operation between two operands. When to use operator? When we want to perform some arithmetic operation and when we want to assign or initialize the variable. For example, double slash is nothing but the float division, single slash division, double star is a power, less than is the less than, greater than equals to is the symbol of greater than equals, the percentage symbol is the modulus and equals to equal is a assignment. When to use the double slash? When we want to quotient value. When to use a single slash? When we want to exact value. When to use a modulus? When we want to a remainder value. When to use a double star means power when we want to some power of variable value.